Imagine a world where food never runs out, crops grow healthier, and farmers don't struggle under the weight of endless labor. That world is not science fiction. It's happening right now, thanks to robots taking over farms. But before you jump to conclusions, thinking this means job loss or some dystopian future, stick around. Because the truth is, this revolution is actually a good thing. And if you're curious about how technology is reshaping the way we eat and live, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an insight into the future of innovation. 1. The rise of agricultural robots. Robots are no longer confined to factories or science labs. They are now plowing fields, planting seeds, and even harvesting fruits. The agricultural industry has been under pressure for decades, with farmers struggling to keep up with the growing demand for food. As the global population is expected to hit nearly 10 billion by 2050, manual farming alone simply won't cut it. Robots are stepping in to fill this gap with precision, speed, and efficiency. These machines can work around the clock without breaks, ensuring productivity levels that human labor just can't match. What used to take dozens of workers can now be done by a single machine, saving time, money, and resources. It's a quiet revolution happening under our feet, transforming farmland into futuristic hubs of technology. 2. Solving the labor shortage crisis. Farming isn't just hard, it's becoming less attractive for younger generations. In many countries, farms are experiencing labor shortages, leaving crops unharvested and food wasted. Robots are helping fix this issue by taking over repetitive, physically exhausting jobs. From robotic harvesters to autonomous tractors, these machines reduce dependency on seasonal workers who are harder to find each year. Instead of replacing people, they're saving farms from collapsing under labor shortages. Farmers can now redirect their energy toward strategy, market expansion, and sustainability. In fact, many rural communities see this as a second chance for farming to survive, keeping their traditions alive, but enhanced with new-age tools. 3. Precision farming for maximum yield. Traditional farming often relies on guesswork, planting seeds evenly, spreading fertilizers across entire fields, and hoping weather conditions cooperate. Robots, on the other hand, make farming a science. Equipped with AI, GPS, and sensors, they can plant seeds at the perfect depth, apply fertilizers only where needed, and detect early signs of disease. This precision approach reduces waste, saves costs, and significantly boosts yield. Farmers don't have to wonder anymore if their fields are properly treated. Machines ensure each plant gets exactly what it needs. In an age where climate change makes weather unpredictable, precision farming gives farmers the control they need to secure reliable harvests year after year. 4. Reducing environmental impact. One of the biggest criticisms of modern farming is its environmental toll. Overuse of water, pesticides, and fertilizers. Robots are helping fix that by optimizing resources with surgical accuracy. Drones scan fields and identify exactly where treatment is required, preventing chemical overuse. Automated irrigation systems conserve water by delivering it directly where needed. By farming smarter, not harder, agriculture becomes more eco-friendly. This isn't just about producing more food. It's about protecting the planet, reducing pollution, and ensuring healthier food. In the future, consumers may demand produce grown with minimal environmental impact, and robots will make that possible. 5. Robots in harvesting and picking. Harvesting is one of the toughest and most delicate jobs. Fruits like strawberries, apples, and tomatoes bruise easily, which is why this job resisted automation for so long. But now, advanced robots equipped with cameras and soft robotic arms can gently harvest crops at scale. They can work day and night, ensuring fruits are picked at their absolute peak. For farmers, this means less waste and more profit. For consumers, it means fresher, healthier food delivered faster. Imagine buying strawberries that were picked just hours before landing in your grocery store. That's the future robots are enabling. 6. Drones as the new farm managers. Farmers once spent hours walking through fields, manually checking crops and soil. Today, drones complete the same task in minutes. Agricultural drones equipped with cameras and sensors capture high-resolution data, analyze plant health, and even apply fertilizers or pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. They act like farmers' eyes in the sky, reducing guesswork. Drones can even predict pest outbreaks or soil imbalances before they cause major damage, making them proactive problem solvers. For many farmers, drones are becoming as essential as tractors once were. 7. Data-driven farming decisions. It's not just about machines doing the heavy lifting. It's about the massive amounts of data they collect. Robots and drones gather real-time insights on soil quality, weather conditions, and crop growth. This data is processed by AI, giving farmers recommendations backed by science, not just instinct. Should they irrigate now or wait? Is a disease spreading silently in one corner of the field? Which crops are thriving and which need attention? Data-driven farming reduces mistakes, stabilizes food supply chains, and increases resilience against unexpected challenges. 8. Lower costs, higher profits. At first glance, investing in robots seems expensive, but long-term, they drastically cut costs by reducing labor expenses, saving resources, and minimizing crop losses. For small farmers, this could mean the difference between breaking even and actually thriving. As technology becomes more affordable, it won't just be giant farms adopting robots. Small and medium farms will too. This not only boosts farmer profits, but can also lower food prices for consumers worldwide. Technology that once felt like luxury will soon become necessity. 9. Robots don't eliminate jobs, they transform them. There's a fear that robots will steal jobs, but the truth in farming is the opposite. Machines handle repetitive, tiring tasks, while humans step into higher-skilled roles like programming, managing, and maintaining these machines. This transition opens new job opportunities in rural areas where employment is often scarce. Farming is evolving from physical labor to tech-driven management, creating better-paying roles for the next generation. Young people who once avoided farming may now return, blending digital skills with agricultural traditions. 10. Building a sustainable future of food. The most powerful reason robots are good for farming is sustainability. With billions more mouths to feed and climate change straining resources, we need smarter systems. Robots can deliver more food with fewer inputs, making agriculture resilient against future crises. They protect the environment while ensuring food security for generations to come. This isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. With robotic farming, humanity has a fighting chance to meet global demand without destroying ecosystems. So the next time you hear that robots are taking over farms, don't see it as a threat, see it as a lifeline. They're not here to erase farmers but to empower them, making food production more efficient, sustainable, and reliable. If this video opened your eyes to the future of farming, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. The future of agriculture is here, and it's robotic. The real question is, are you ready for it? Because every bite of food tomorrow might just come from a robot-assisted farm today.